Windy day here on the beach, using a different camera to see if you can see the dolphins out there. I don't know if I can zoom there. Nah, not able to zoom with this one, sorry. It says it's recording in HD. Hope you're able to see them. Back with you. Happy hunting. Find gold. Yeah, it took me about 15 minutes to get my first point today. There's a good penny. Down here, tight little harder rougher coming in today. Alright, I'm going to keep going. And shorts, ankle shirt. One thing I noticed down here when I was working in the wet like this is that is small. Those are big. It's difficult sometimes to get down 2 scoops or 3 scoops before it's filled back in. This was not an easy one here. See, it's near a ring. And of course, I see some little rusty around there, so it's probably a cheap one. There was not, let's see here, many scoops out. Came from right there. I keep working this feature. Always recheck your hole. 2 dimes actually came out of that one. So let me get a picture of Here we are, 12.13, gives me a nickel. 19.64 nickel, 12.13. Wow, I worked real hard for that. Piece of junk over there. Over here, 2 scoops out. Looks like I had me a quarter on a 1146 down there. Just getting started. Gotta keep going. Well, just sat and talked with David there for a little bit. Met him out here the other day too. Back one and getting a dime here. Alright, let me keep. My arrow that comes down through here, which when I was first coming through here the tide was up higher. I kept filling my hole back in 9 inches deep is what I'm trying to get to, 10 inches, and I couldn't because it was filling in so fast. So I'm back now. This is what I was chasing.